I'm going to give you the best possible script you could possibly use to get your contract signed. No other script. I don't care who or whatever any guru or anybody else gave you. This script I'm giving you right now is the best script. I promise, I guarantee it. Check this out. In order for you to really get it, I first need to talk to you about the whole point of a script. A script is what you tell somebody to convince them to sell their house to you. Okay? Really think about that. The point of a script is to talk somebody into selling their house to you. More specifically, a script is what you tell a non-motivated seller to convince them or talk them into selling their house to you. Now, imagine you walk in Walmart and somebody taps you on the shoulder, you turn around and they ask you, hey, do you please buy my house? Can you please give me an offer? Would you need a script to convince anybody to sell their house to you when they approach you asking you to please make them an offer? The only time you need a script is when you are dealing with a non-motivated seller. Why do you think so many gurus tell you this is the best cold call script? Because cold calling is renowned for not being motivated. You are cold calling them, hence the word cold. The only time you need a script is when you're not dealing with a motivated seller. So if you are struggling with wholesaling or flipping or whatever, if you're struggling with lead generation, it's not your script. There is a deeper underlying problem. Your problem is you are not approaching motivated sellers. So then, how do you approach motivated sellers, right? That's the issue. You can't. There doesn't exist a way to target motivated sellers. Today, you're not motivated. Tomorrow, you are. Nothing happened. Only you know when you're motivated. Nobody else knows. Per definition, a motivated seller will take it upon themselves to find a solution to their problem. They will go to Google. The only way to get in touch with a motivated seller is by making it extremely easy for them to find you. Now, think about that one for a second. When you get bitten by a rattlesnake, are you going to drive to the local library and find a book on what to do when you get bitten by a rattlesnake? No. Are you going to plant your ass next to the mailbox hoping somebody will send you a direct marketing piece telling you what to do when you get bitten by a rattlesnake? No. Are you going to stand by your phone hoping somebody will cold call you telling you what to do when you get bitten by a rattlesnake? No. They go to Google. Google is where everybody goes. I call this entire system that I've developed, I call it stalking the watering hole. What does it mean? When you are a ferocious little lion in the savannas of Africa, where are you going to be when you want to get food? You go to the watering hole. I don't care who or what you are, your ass will be at the watering hole eventually. That is where the lion jumps you. The lion is us, the cute little bunny is the motivated seller, and the watering hole is Google. Everybody goes to Google to find a solution to their problem, no exception. So now, you need to make it extremely easy for motivated sellers to find you. How do you do that? You have an amazing, credible website that ranks #1 on Google. That's how you find motivated sellers, or better yet, that is how motivated sellers find you. There is no other way. Now, I promise you the best script to get your contract signed. I wasn't lying. I am going to give you the best script. That script has a name. It's called The Truth. We literally tell our sellers the truth. We tell them that we have zero intention of buying their house. We're going to put the house under contract and then we're going to sell that contract for a fee. We just tell them honestly, in full transparency, what the benefits are, what the advantages are, what they can expect, what the risks are. We tell them everything. 9 out of 10 times they accept a wholesale deal. In fact, it's so effective, we don't even mention wholesaling if you want to flip the house, if you want to buy the house ourselves. We don't even mention it because more than likely you're going to pick wholesaling. Just tell them the truth. If you want to know our exact message to the seller, subscribe to this channel. You can see that every video I make It's a collection of how to do real estate investing right. Subscribe to the channel and I will give you a video what exactly we tell the sellers that will make them choose wholesaling over anything else without you getting in trouble, because you are 100% completely honest and transparent. Schedule a call with me, follow this channel, and I will give you all our secrets for free.